the only premium midsize pickup. There is no truck like a GMC Canyon. Easy to maneuver and park. A quiet cabin with comfortable seats. A high level of standard equipment. Meet the 2018 Canyon, everything you want in a smart-sized pickup truck. The 2018 Canyon midsize pickup truck was designed to be efficient and maneuverable, yet make a powerful and lasting first impression. From innovative cargo box features and a strong foundation, to striking styling, Canyon is truly a standout among all trucks. The 2018 Canyon small pickup truck's cabin is precisely crafted, exceptionally quiet and comfortable, and designed to the highest standards. Yours. Whether extended cab or crew cab, one look inside and it's clear why this truck is redefining and refining the small pickup. The GMC Canyon small pickup truck offers state-of-the-art safety and driver alert technologies. These proven, innovative technologies help provide peace of mind for the unexpected. Driver alert technologies. Available forward collision alert lets you know when you may be approaching another vehicle too quickly. Available lane departure warning, when driving above certain speeds, lets you know when you are leaving your lane without signaling.
Music Studio.